So I've had my dinner alone. Why am I alone? Friends for life and all that, but you know what, that's all good. So I did order them some food. I ordered some pasta and some chicken, and I did order them just in case he woke up and was like a bit hungry. But then I ate mine, and then I ate a bit of hers, and it was rubbish. I just want them to know that I was thinking about them. Anyway, I think I might just head off now and maybe have a bit of salmon. Bit weird. Going to Vancouver though. Hopefully by the weekend I'm catching them by my hands. It's funny this because I've completely robbed her phone. Only because my phone is running out of battery, so I might as well use someone else's. And in fact, if you can see where it was in her hand, it hasn't even moved. Hold on. In fact, she has not moved until about 6 minutes after getting off the plane. I don't know why I said 6 minutes, but look at it. Look at her little feet. And then this is what got us all together as friends. I'll bring it out now, but there's quite a lot of staff going around and we might get into trouble. And this is what it is. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, you can see it there in my breast. That is what has created this friendship. Our sleeping friends. I'd like to have a little suckle this right now, but apparently we're not allowed to do so online. I'm going to do it dead quickly now. Okay, I think I did the job. Ish. I feel ever so naughty. I feel even naughty that I'm actually having a bit of laugh by myself while my two new comrades feel comfortable enough to sleep on my little... In fact, when I was having my dinner, I made it out that I could only use my left arm, which is just lovely. Anyway, I think I might try and go and sleep, and then when I come back, if the... movement at mill. If not, I'm gonna wait. No, she's making a movement. She's making a movement. She's alright. She's looking beautiful. I'm not gonna zoom in because she's bloody tired is what she is. What are you saying? I think she just screamed out my name. I'm a generous kind of friend because I'm not going to zoom in on her. I'm sleepy. I've got spit coming from my face thing. In fact, to be honest, I don't even really know her, but I like her, and that's same with this bugger lugs here. Oh, what's that? She's looking like she's ashamed of herself, and there's no reason to be, but if I carry on having this glass of wine then I will. Anyway, it's been 4 minutes 23 seconds. I don't want to bore anyone, but it's for us, it's our friendship.